What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. Hope of course you are all well. Today's video is another quick update, just a chart update. I'm not going to talk about any fundamental stuff with Argo blockchain. I've done plenty of videos. I'll share the most recent video where we talk about all the great things that Argo blockchain is offering. However, on Monday I put out a video that I was saying that I reiterated that Argo blockchain is a buy. Not a strong buy. I did say it's not a strong buy, but it is a buy. As I said in the video, any given day, a news article come out, earnings can come out, China can ban Bitcoin, whatever. In my experience, it's only really relevant if the stock has kind of been going along in a nice pattern and you can develop something, but something that can send it massively up or down just kind of throws your TA out the window, regardless of what anyone says. That is my opinion. The stock yesterday had tanked 8%. Now again, yesterday was a red day. The Nasdaq was in and out of the red all day yesterday. It wasn't a very strong day. A lot of the growth stocks got tanked. You have to bear that in mind. And if you look at the likes of my watch list here, you can see it was a bloodbath yesterday. There was very, very little that was actually green. Go on offer pad though, holding the line there with a 3%. But yesterday was a brutal day, and that's just the way that it is. Now look, considering all that, we look at this 9-day moving average, we can see a sell symbols come in on the day chart. Not ideal. Don't want to see a sell symbol coming in. We can see from the highs of Monday to where it closed, you know, you fell down 10.5%, and this is on the Arbk Nasdaq ticker symbol. We can see the RSI now is starting to go downwards. We're still above the 9-day moving average, so if I was looking to swing trade, and again, this is a long hold for me, guys. I'm only doing this here to try and help people time of buy or the time of sell. Me personally, I'm just holding. The lower it goes, I will be buying, and when it comes to the opportunity to buy, I will tell you about that and I'll be topping up. But so I just want to make that clear. I'm very bullish on Argo and I have no issues with Argo at all, no matter what really it does here. And the other thing that I like to also deal with then is the 4-hour chart, and we can see here on the 4-hour chart, unfortunately the MACD is now under the line. It's yellow, it's going down. We've got volume coming in, a red symbol, and the RSI is going down pre-market. It doesn't look too hot, but we are slightly up 0.24%. And on the 4-hour, we're now below the 9-day moving average. Personally speaking, if I was looking to open a position, I wouldn't be opening a position at these prices. I would be leaving it to see what way this settles. But on the day chart, we're still relatively strong. But if today is a red day, we will most likely be underneath that, which will show a bearish symbol. And that's just the truth. There is another explanation to all of this. Obviously, if we go on and we can check out, Bitcoin fell below 60,000. And it's actually pulled back quite a bit there. It was over 6%. We almost had 67,000 on the 20th, and it has just went down, it's recovered, but we're back down to these levels again. You know, obviously there is a correlation with Bitcoin and Argo. If we look at it, 22nd of October, you can see we're at 60 and a half. If we look at the 22nd of October, what do you find yourselves? You're down here. So when you match them up far away in terms of prices of Argo, so there is that correlation. There's a lot more to Argo blockchain than just Bitcoin, and our price isn't fully reflective, but when there's big pullbacks in Bitcoin, you're going to get that. ARB on the day chart, when I did the video on Monday, we were above the day chart. I did say it wasn't a strong buy. MACDs, everything was kind of looking good. However, what we've done is we've fell below. So now I would be saying exactly what I just said. I wouldn't be buying at these prices. I'll be waiting to see what happens. Unless you're a long-term Argo holder. I mean, of course, you can never time these things. Feel free to buy, of course. But right now, I'd be looking for a reversal before I was considering buying. And that's just the way I do it in terms of swing trading. That's just the way that I would do it. There's your line. I would say wait. I'd be waiting for in and around 110. Gets to 110, I'm buying more. I'm just going to wait for a bit longer to see what happens. But listen, it is linked to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is volatile, and that is just the way Argo blockchain is. It is highly volatile, and there's a lot of factors playing into it. Got good feedback on Monday. People just like to have a bit of an understanding. Hopefully that's helped people. We talked about the share price there. I'll maybe do another video on Friday. Again, just keep these going every other day. I think every day is a wee bit dry. So yeah. Like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. If you want to support, buy me a coffee. I'm drinking one right now, thank you. Joe Clark for the recent coffee, and she says here, I'm useless at this game. It sometimes feels like that, Joe, but trust me, you know, investing is the best decision you could ever make. It's absolutely changed my life, and it'll change anyone's life. The red days are grim, they're hard to take, but eventually you harden up to it. And in my opinion, you just sort of realize that the red days are actually good days. Corrections are good days, opportunities to buy good companies at good prices. So yeah, just stick with it, Joe, don't worry. And anyone else wants to support, go ahead, feel free to do that. Also, there's links down there for crypto and free shares on free trade. So yeah, feel free to do all those links, guys. Check out all the books and stuff down there that I'm recommending as well. Enjoy and trade safe. Peace.